we are going to see about a seminar on cultural, disciplinary and recreational values. A synopsis about the introduction, about the values of teaching mathematics, cultural values, about the disciplinary values and about recreational values and its conclusion. About the values of teaching mathematics. So the first value is that it creates an deep affective quality through the education which aims to foster through the teaching of mathematics. And the next is that the outcomes or results, that is we have after the achievement of something we are learning an outcome or result we are gaining which improves our values, that is through the aims of teaching mathematics. And mathematics has got many educational values so which determine the need of teaching a particular subject in the schools. And then we are going to see about the cultural values. Hogben says mathematics is a mirror of civilization, that is it portrays the society. So the mode of living of the members of the society is greatly determined by the scientific and technological advancement, so which in turn depends on the progress and development of mathematics. And then mathematics plays a vital role in the cultural. We have seen how many keys or and how much level the keys are to be pressed, that is based on mathematics, I think so. And fine arts, and in poetry how many lines are to be imported for a poem, and its rhyming lines are all based on mathematics. And in painting also how much amount of paint are to be mixed and are all based on mathematics. And mathematics makes direct or indirect contribution to the development of all occupation. In agriculture how many acres we have how many acres we should how many acres are to be cultivated. And in engineering, civil engineering, the buildings are constructed based on the mathematics. And in industries like chemical industry how many amount of chemicals are to be imported, and in medicine also, and in also railroad building are all based on mathematics. Makes the learners aware of the strength and virtues of the culture he or she has inherited. And through mathematical ideas there should be opportunities for the creative expressions. So mathematical ideas should provide the creative opportunities and ideas. And mathematics enables the students to appreciate the role played in the past and also in the present. So the culture of the past and it continues to play in the present world are to be appreciated by the students through mathematics. And mathematics enables to appreciate the role played by it in preserving and transmitting our cultural traditions. And the next is disciplinary values. According to Locke, mathematics is a way to settle in the mind a habit of reasoning, the development of the power of concentration, that is the concentration power to be of one's mind or to be developed through the learning of mathematics. And the development of inventive faculty, that is the making a new discovery. Through mathematics on solving a difficult problem we should discover new things, so that makes our mind to develop our inventive faculty. And the willpower to solve any problem, and the patience and perseverance, that is we have seen many mathematicians for examples, so they develop their patience and perseverance to achieve anything, so it strengthens their willpower. And the next develops thinking and reasoning power. What formula or what theory should be used, and why that theory should be used here, so that develops a thinking and reasoning power. and develops the character through systematic and orderly habits. So the sum should be solved in an orderly pattern and by step. So it develops our character through the orderly habits and systematic habits, and develops an ability to grasp any situation, that is, if any problem is given, for example, a man walks through this distance, and how distance or how much distance he should walk to reach that place or this place, means we have to grasp that situation, analyze the situation, and observe the things that are given, and observe, and should also observe how what are all the things to be found, we have to found. So that ability should be developed through solving these problems on mathematics. And mathematical knowledge is exact, logical and real to that point. It creates so the all the problems in mathematics definitely is exact and logical and real. So it develops our human mind through discipline. And then recreational values, mathematical gives a variety of recreational opportunities to grown up people as well as children. So mathematics entertains people through puzzles, games, riddles, etc. So I have given an example. So we have to find the values of mango, watermelon and banana, and the next puzzle is given. So without seeing the answer, you can try to solve it and find the answer. And then recreational values, the modern video computer games are all developed through the proper use of mathematics. That is, we have seen many games, like there are 5 lives in a game, means we have to play. If we lost once, means we are left with 4 lives. So we develop our mind how to play intellectually, and won with the 4 lives given. So it develops our imagination and sharpen our intellect and intellect power, and draw satisfaction to our mind. And the human brain is an organ that improves with exercise. It gives sufficient exercise to the brain of an individual. For the practitioner of mathematics, the daily joy of untwisting some strange mathematical relationship is always entertaining. So, and the daily joy, it should the mathematics gives recreational values, which gives a daily joy to our mind. So the conclusion is that even though the good percentage of people are unaware of the relation between civil society and mathematics, it does not mean that the relation is insignificant. The structure and functioning of the society is highly depends on mathematics, that we all know. But the only thing is that members of the society, irrespective of their education level or occupation, is highly ignorant towards this relationship. So in this world of technological survey, we cannot think of a mathematics free society. So mathematics plays a great role in our society. And then these are all the references for my seminar, and thank you all.